Welcome back to the channel. Electric bikes are taking over 2025 with smarter tech, stronger motors, and longer-lasting batteries. Whether you're commuting through the city, exploring new trails, or just looking for a fun, eco-friendly way to ride, this year's lineup has something for everyone. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 electric bikes of 2025 that deliver the best value, performance, and innovation. Let's get started. Number 1. HappyRun G70. The HappyRun G70 is an electric cargo bike thoroughly designed for families, epitomizing power, versatility, and long-range performance for everyday adventure riding. With its twin-seater configuration, dual batteries, and wide, robust 1,000-watt motor peaking at 2,000 watts, commuting, school runs, and weekend outings are a breeze. Its strong frame bears up to 330 pounds, while the passenger seat can easily be replaced with a cargo rack, making it equally useful for shopping trips or hauling gear. With its extended dual battery system, range is increased, allowing riders to explore, do errands, or even cruise across town without any power concerns. Dual-piston hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable and responsive stopping at all times to ensure safety for riders and their passengers. Price at $1,299. The HappyRun G70 is surely built to make every family ride enjoyable, practical, and stress-free. Number 2. Lectric ONE. The Lectric ONE is a breakthrough in modern commuting, where unmatched creativity meets world-class automotive technology to deliver a maintenance-free and truly effortless riding experience. At its core is the advanced pinion gearbox with Smart Shift, a fully enclosed, weather-sealed system that pairs seamlessly with the Smart Shift app. Riders can pre-select gears for smooth, automatic shifting, creating a ride that feels intuitive and refined. Powering the Lectric ONE is a pseudo-motor that produces up to 1,310 watts of peak output. Enhanced with Stealth M24 technology, 14 amp-hour certified lithium-ion battery, hydraulic mineral oil brakes with 180mm rotors for reliable stopping power, quick-release removable pedals make transport simple. Complementing the gearbox is the Gates Carbon Drive belt system, known for its durability, quiet operation, and virtually maintenance-free performance. Price at $2,619. This carbon fiber reinforced belt replaces the traditional chain, ensuring a clean, smooth, and reliable drivetrain. Number 3. VanPower's Grand Teton Ultra. The VanPower's Grand Teton is engineered for riders looking for power durability and precision-crafted performance across any terrain. At its core is the Ananda M100 mid-drive motor, delivering 48 volts / 500 watts continuous power and an impressive 760 watts peak output. With 130 Newton-meters of torque, it excels in climbing ability, balanced handling, and provides a smooth, natural pedaling feel that seasoned adventurers and everyday riders alike have become accustomed to. Equipped with a 48-volt 14.7 amp-hour removable battery fitted with UL-certified Samsung cells, it delivers 705.6 watt-hours of reliable energy. The IP67-rated weather-resistant performance is assured on it, while the removable design makes it convenient to charge anywhere. The Grand Teton boasts a set of 4-piston hydraulic Tektro brakes, providing superior control with unparalleled stopping power in any conditions. With a 120mm travel air fork and lockout, rough terrain is tamed for a smooth ride. Added to this integrated auto-braking light for safety and one-click dropper functionality for instant trail control, the Grand Teton is an all-terrain powerhouse. Number 4. Sailnovo E-Bike. The Sailnovo electric bike is an impressive mix of portability, convenience, and everyday performance, making it a partner for all trips, from commuting to leisure. Its sporty design in a matte finish is teamed with dual disc brakes and non-slip bump handlebars, providing both style and safety. The LCD display shows the speed and battery level at all times, while the adjustable saddle can accommodate riders in height between 4 feet 10 inches and 5 feet 10 inches. Lightweight 14-inch anti-shock tires guarantee a smooth, comfortable ride over urban terrain. One of the biggest strong points of this bike is its versatility. Equipped with 3 riding modes, purely electric, pedal assist, and regular cycling, it easily adapts to flat streets, light slopes as steep as 15 degrees, and various rider preferences. Compact and folding, it is well suited for small apartments, car trunks, or office storage. The capacity for attachment of a basket or bottle holder adds to its functionality. Price at $699. The Sailnovo electric bike features a 36-volt, 374.4 watt-hour battery, a top speed of up to 18.5 miles per hour, weight capacity of 265 pounds, and 90% pre-assembly for convenience and a pleasant riding experience for daily use or weekend adventures. Number 5. Engwe T14. The Engwe T14 is a compact and versatile electric bike engineered for smooth, effortless commuting and enjoyable everyday travel. Powered by a robust 350-watt hub motor with a peak output of 600 watts, it delivers reliable acceleration and steady performance on city streets. Its 48-volt 10-amp-hour battery provides a practical riding range of 18 to 25 miles, making it ideal for errands, short commutes, and leisure rides without frequent charging. The 14 by 2.125 tubeless tires add stability and durability, offering better traction and lower maintenance. Despite its strong build, the Engwe T14 remains lightweight and convenient, featuring a fully foldable design for easy storage in apartments, offices, or car trunks. With a 220-pound maximum load capacity, it supports a wide range of riders while maintaining dependable performance. Price at $499. Combining portability, power, and comfort, the Engwe T14 is a smart choice for anyone seeking a smooth and practical electric folding bike. That concludes our rundown of the top 5 electric bikes of 2025. From power to range to innovation, each one brings something different to the table for all your possible choices of your next ride. If you liked the video, then hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech and gear reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.